In this video, I'm gonna show you how to play multiplayer on Craftsman without internet, like this. By the end of this video, you will know how to play Craftsman with your friends offline. So without further ado, let's do it. Here I have two smartphones. On the right side is my phone and on the left side is my friend's phone. Me and my friend need to open Craftsman first, so here it is. To start the process, I need to turn on my phone's personal hotspot. I can do that by going to my phone's control panel. Here is the personal hotspot, turn it on. You can also turn on your personal hotspot by going to settings, just in case if you can't find it here. Once done, your friend's phone need to turn his Wi-Fi on and tell him to connect to your personal hotspot. Once done, tell your friend to create a world. After creating the world, tell him to turn his Wi-Fi off and turn his hotspot on. And on your phone, you need to turn your personal hotspot off and turn your Wi-Fi on.
Connect to your friend's personal hotspot.
You can now join to your friend's world by clicking on play. Click on friends, and you will be able to see your friend's world. Here is my friend's world, it's John's world. To join, just click on it. And I am now playing Craftsman with John, even we don't have internet.